Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Well, it's January and it's time to catch up. Welcome to my channel. I have lots to show you guys. I have lots to unbox. During the holidays, I really got backed up, so I have some December boxes that I need to get out to you guys. That's just a fact of life. There was just so much going on. Plus, I had a lot of giveaways, I guess, going on with the glossy box, and some of those are still open. If you're interested in winning some of the items that I gave or will be giving away in those surprise giveaways. But today I'm going to talk about a new subscription called Trouvailles. This is a travel box. This is their holiday box. So this is not maybe a regular seasonal box, or maybe it is their December box. To be honest with you, I cannot remember. I just know that this is going to be a holiday box. Most of the time the boxes are full of items from one particular country, but this one will have several different items in it from different countries, and we're going to go through it here together. And if you're interested in this subscription, it is about $59.99 bi-monthly. So for an annual contract, you would get it 6 times a year, and that's what I signed up for. And if I need to give you more information on that, I will. If I can find a promo code for it, I will also put that down in the description. But if you want to know more about this Trouvailles, well then just stick right on with me and we'll find out what's in here together. It says treats and treasures from around the world and ready for your next travel adventure. That's what it asks us for. And when we open it up, it looks like this. We've got our product card on top, I believe. It says holidays from around the world. All right, so that kind of goes with the theory of what I told you. I can't read some of this. Let me find, okay, here we go. I got to find it in English. We wish you a very happy holiday from the Trouvailles team. Share your working using hashtag Trouvailles box. I can't even talk. Okay, here we go. Let's find out what's in here. We've got our sticker on there. I see kind of a Santa Claus looking through there. So we're definitely in a holiday box. We definitely are going to be finding out about different countries. And I don't know if it's going to be in any particular order. It looks like they give us a little information about maybe some recipes and things. And you can see it's in different languages. So hopefully I'll be able to read some of this. But we're going to celebrate the winter solstice. And then it goes into a foreign language. I can't read it. Okay, guys, I'm just going to push on to the next page. Let's see what we have here. It says, let's get started. And it says something about a Buccaneer rum cake. So let's pull out the Buccaneer rum cake. This is from Jamaica. And it sounds delicious. The Jamaican rum is rightfully loved by the world over for its rich taste and unique flavoring. If you ask us, the only way you could possibly improve it would be in cake form. Haha. So, Buccaneer rum cakes are buttery and sweet, perfect with ice cream, coffee, and why not a tumbler of rum. So, this ought to be pretty good. It's not very big. It kind of looks like a fruit cake. You know, that's what it says, rum cake fruit. So I look forward to trying that out. I think it's really cool that we're going to get things from around the world, you know, different parts of the world. I've been to Jamaica, and it's a nice island. I've been to the Dun River Falls. I don't know that I had any rum cake while I was there. So, now we're going to go to Spain. And in Spain, we are going to have some Tours sparkling wine potato chips. Well, who ever heard of that? That sounds interesting. You may want to save one for this New Year's Eve. Hear us out. This innovative combination of sparkling wine and sunflower oil cooked chips with a sparkling of salted popping candy is a true winner. And what could possibly say gourmet snack more than that? A perfectly savored pairing with white wine, cava, and champagne. We promise you'll never think of chips the same way again. Ooh. That sounds delicious. Very delicious. Our next country we're going to is Poland. And we have Kraknici Gingerbread. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is from Poland. Tourist Gingerbread has put it on the map of European treats, with an original recipe dating back as far as 1763. While you'll surely gobble them up quicker than we can say Kraknici, patience is the main ingredient in these chewy biscuits covered in chocolate, traditional baked after long dough maturation process. Very interesting. My goodness, I think this whole box is just going to be full of goodies. Okay, now we're going to the Philippines. In the Philippines, they have an annual holiday favorite in the Philippines. These cookies are crumbly and sweet. That's what it says. They are a crumbly and sweet traditional gift combining a regional flavor of classic Filipino dessert buko pandan made with jelly cubes, young coconut, and sweetened cream, and Spanish polvoron shortbread. The result is an unforgettable blend of tropical and European flavors. Well, that sounds interesting, and there's the name of it. It was kind of flipped over. They look quite unusual, almost like if you're going to get a big size Starburst, but it's going to be better because it's got coconut in it. Now we are going to Kenya. In Kenya, we have a Siskel Angel Ornament. This fair trade certified handcrafted ornament is made from plant fibers from the Siskel plant and banana tree by women in the villages near the town of Kraknici, Kenya. Utilizing dried offcuts that would typically be discarded, this method of sustainable production results in a beautiful, one-of-a-kind works of art perfect for the holiday season. Which, now I'll have to use it for next year, but isn't that beautiful? That is. It's very beautiful. I love that. Now we're going to India. Shelly Mahande Kit from India. And this is a traditional form of body painting for festive occasions in India, made from the dry leaves of henna plant. More than just stylish body adornment, it plays an important role in celebrations, and its placement of the body carries spiritual meanings. Try some on your feet to connect your body, mind, and spirit to the earth. That's very interesting. It says that the little tattoos last between 14 and 20 days. Wow, well, at least they come off. I wouldn't want a permanent tattoo on me, but that's very interesting. Okay, now we're going to Sweden. Going to Sweden. And we've got a handmade traditional straw ornament. And it's in this little red case here. Let's see if I can get it open. This is from Sweden and it's handmade. It's made out of straw. And there's 3 little ornaments in here. There's this little ball ornament. There's this like sundial type ornament. And then we have a little heart ornament. Aren't those pretty? Let's see what it says. It says Scandinavian holiday decor is never complete without these rustic eye-catching straw ornaments. They refer to an ancient tradition of decorating farm gates with sheaves of wheat to feed the area's winged population known as the Remembrance of the Birds. And as a bonus, they're perfect for kids and won't break when dropped on the floor. Well, that's true. We all know that we have ornaments that hit the floor and some of them just go boom, crash, and they're over with. That's very interesting. And I'll be able to use those next year. It's too bad I didn't get to this box before then. Okay, guys, now we're going on to South Africa. In South Africa, we have a Baganzi hand-painted candle. Oh my goodness, look at the detail in this. Wow. Hand-painted. That's beautiful. Let's find out more about it. These stunning fair trade candles from South Africa are hand-poured and painted with patterns that reflect South Africa's culture by female artists from the small village of Napier, east of Cape Town. Each taper is a one-of-a-kind work of art and will burn jolly and bright for 10 hours. Wow, that's very cool. And that's something that you might pick up if you were going over to South Africa. So I really like that they're picking out things that, if you were going through a flea market or something, that you would actually probably pick up. Now, let's see if I have another item in here. Okay, it's our birthday, it says. So, to celebrate our first year anniversary, we treated all early bird subscribers with a bonus, and it is called Pailek. It's a dark chocolate bar with advocate filling, and it's from Poland. As Poland's oldest chocolate brand Wiedel has been manufacturing some of the country's favorite sweets for over 150 years, flavored with advocate, a sweet egg and vodka Dutch liqueur similar to eggnog. These boozy bars are a regional Polish specialty, and it contains 2.4% alcohol. Ooh, well, I got some rum cake, and now some alcohol chocolate. Hard to be said. I'll get my bottle of red wine, and away we'll go. Yeah, hey, this was a fun box. Now, I don't know if you've ever heard of this box, and like I said, I'm going to be getting it for a year. So my next box coming up, I already got a message from them, and it's going to be about Russia. So I can't wait to get that box. But just as a recap, we got our ornaments from Sweden. We got our Henna Kit from India. We got our chocolate bar that I can't pronounce, Polek, I don't know, candy bar from Poland. We also got these ginger snaps, Katabrzinki, and we got this candle from Kenya, handmade. We got this ornament from South Africa, these great tasting potato chips from Spain, and we got these cool little candies from the Philippines, and we got our delicious rum cake, which I've heard is really good, so I can't wait to try this. So that's it. We traveled around several different countries, had a wonderful holiday, and I do hope you all had a happy holiday. And I will put more information about Trouvailles down in the description, and again, if I can find a discount code, I'll have it down there as well. But as for today, that's all I have for Trouvailles. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite item was in this box, and if you had a favorite, and if you've ever been to any of these countries. Well, tell me all about it. That'd be great. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.